Need to cancel a line on Xfinity Mobile? It's a straightforward process. First, understand that you can remove a line online or via the Xfinity app. Log into your account, select the mobile line you want to cancel, and confirm the removal. For postpaid plans, be aware of potential early termination fees, ETFs, which can be up to $350, prorated based on your contract length. Prepaid plans don't have ETFs. Confirmation of cancellation typically happens within 24 hours. You can remove individual lines without affecting your entire account. Remember to check for any outstanding balances, as this could delay the cancellation. If you're switching carriers and want to keep your number, you can transfer it. Xfinity provides a port-out authorization code upon request. The transfer process usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Ensure your new carrier supports number porting. Device returns are also important. Xfinity allows returns within 30 days of purchase for a full refund, minus shipping if applicable, provided the device is in original condition. Use the prepaid shipping label provided for returns. If you're beyond the 30-day window, explore trade-in options for potential credit. Consider that Xfinity emphasizes device recycling to minimize e-waste.